Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of shortcut for the timer, which means that we have to enter the settings. Right now in this configuration they are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it and let's check. All right, fortunately it just changed the position. All right, so after opening the options, the settings, we can see that we've got those kind of bars, and the second bar is connected with the timer. Currently it is off, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me tap on 10 seconds delay. Right now it is highlighted, so we can go back. And again, after getting back, unfortunately, we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer set, which is a little bit uncomfortable, especially in the situation when you will forget that you've got the timer and you want to just, fastly take a photo and your device starts to count down, for example, from 10. So unfortunately, we do not have this information, but that's okay still. All right, so let's simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, of course, depending on which option you've chosen. And after the time, it will simply, that was loud, it will simply take a photo. Okay, let me maybe turn off the flashlight. Alright, so of course you can set any other option, so 5 or 3 seconds, and you can always turn it off just by tapping on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.